Hello everyone, this is me Arijit with a new video, and as you can see in this video we are going to talk about drones. Now as you know, we have built few drones in last few years, and demo videos of those drones are already in our channel, but we haven't made any tutorials on drones, like how you can build a drone, how you can program a drone, or projects on drones. Now we haven't made any videos like that. So that's why now I have decided to make a whole series on drone, in this series of videos we are going to cover several things. So the first thing is what are the components you need to build a drone. So for example, here I am using few components. Now you may have different requirements, everyone have different requirements. Maybe someone is building drone for image processing, someone is building it for some other purpose and things like that. So depending on your purpose, what kind of components you should buy, and also depending on your budget also, what kind of components you should buy. For example, here I am using a flight controller called Pixhawk. Now there are other flight controllers also like APM, and there is KK2 and things like that. So which one you should buy? For example, this flight controller, the pricing is 4 or 5 times to a flight controller like KK2. So why this is so expensive? And so should you buy this, or even you can go with the cheap one? So so basically we are going to see what are differences between all these components and which is best for you. And next we will see how all these components work. So this in the series of videos we are not just going to look how you can connect to components. For example, how you can connect a motor with a ESC or ESC with a flight controller. Now if you don't know what these things are, don't worry, we are going to cover everything. But it's not only about how you can connect components, it's also about how that component works. So why we are using this kind of motors, why you are using ESC, what the ESC actually do, things like this. So if you know, in a drone there are for a quadcopter there are 4 motors, and 2 of the motors rotate clockwise and 2 of the anti-clockwise. Why like that? There are clockwise propellers, there are anti-clockwise propellers. Why like that? We are going to answer all this question in the series of videos. Then we will look also into advanced things, like how you can, for example, maybe you are building a drone for image processing. In that case you will attach a Raspberry Pi with the drone. So how you can do that, how you can attach a camera with it so that you can do image processing, how if you want to connect, so if you want to just connect your drone with internet, how you can do that. So all this kind of advanced things we are going to also cover at the end. So this is going to be a really long series, and we will start from the very basics. So I will assume you don't know anything about drones. We will start from that phase, and at the end we will talk about some advanced things, some advanced projects and things like that. So this is all about what we are going to cover in this course, guys, and I need your full support to complete this course, and I hope you will do that. So that's all about this video, and we'll see you in the next video on this series about drones. So see you there.